other than the heart of
Bro,
balloons.
You need to try it, Black. You need to try it, Black.
I'm not going to just yet, not yet.
You need to try it. It tastes nice.
Come here. No.
It's kind of nice in here.
No.
It's kind of nice. You're Black.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump. Are you ready?
No.
I believe.
Am I the only person with normal thoughts who doesn't want to jump into the burning pit of lava?
What? Why does the lava?
I don't think it's gonna stop. We're cooked.
Bro, I'm so safe here. Dude, just watch. So safe. You see?
Oh
It's gonna be so
no.
safe. You see?
It's not safe, dude. Get out.
It's really warm and toasty.
I bet it
I'm
is.
just gonna stand here and get consumed by the lava. Because it tastes really nice, you know.
Nice.
You should try it.
I will in a second.
Actually, I think it's a bit too warm.
Come up here, dude. It's so safe up here. There's no getting higher than this.
Go to tutorial, that's higher.
It's blocked off.
Bro, I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Branch, dude, branch. Use your skills. Use your epic gamer skills. Up here, dude, up here. Oh.
Bro, how's my battery level 1%? The video's ended now.
Oh,
Bye.
treehouse. Bye.
Somehow my VR's 1%. Oh, the lava stopped. I'm safe. I can go.
Nice. I think we're safe now. I'm jumping in. Whee! This is nice. It's nice and toasty. Nice. Let's go. It's going down now. Oh, bye, dude. Like and subscribe if you don't want to be in here. Bye.